Dance, Hannah. Are you dancing?
No.
Show. Are you eating some cheese?
First finger up on your other hand. You can count to 6. I know you can.
Counting? 6? Good job. What are you eating for dinner? Beans, rice, fish sticks, strawberries, bananas, cheese? Get some cheese.
This.
That's cheese. Yummy. Show me. Oh man, how many can we put in our mouth at a time? So we had to move to the chair because somebody threw a fit in the high chair. Dancing? Say bye-bye.